Ladies and gentlemen, as you can very plainly see, it is storming outside right now. Now you may be wondering why I'm recording such a rainstorm. This is for my friend Sammy. So if you guys haven't checked out her channel, I'll go ahead and put a link in the video right quick. She makes a lot of good videos and she likes weather. So I figured, why not record this for her? It's downpouring right now. It's a full-out downpour with not only rain, but also lightning and thunder. And it seems to be stopping. But I'll go ahead and get some light from my phone right here so you can see exactly what I mean. Oh! Sorry about that, people. I have a habit of falling. Let me pull myself back up right here. Sorry about that, guys. But as you can see, it's falling and pouring off the awning right here, or the overhead, or whatever you want to call it. It's basically just falling everywhere, protected by this lovely thing up here. My camera is not exactly waterproof, so I have to kind of be careful. Realize it's dark. But I'm hoping lightning will strike again and we can actually see the lightning again. Maybe actually catch a lightning strike. Thinking actually I might be able to just maybe rush over to that tree over there. Still kind of wet, but hopefully see things a little bit better over here. And the rain's beginning to pick back up again. Again, it's kind of dark, so we really can't see much. Hoping maybe we could catch a lightning strike or something like that, but it looks like I'm actually going to have to retreat back. To the little awning over here, or the overhead, or what have you, as the rain begins to pick back up. And oh, there's one. Not sure where that came from. But that one was really close. Actually got a little bit of water on my camera. As you can see, tonight, Mother Nature doesn't exactly wish to play nice. I got to kind of adjust my strap for my camera on the wrist. As you can see, it's led all the way up to here. That one came from over there. I saw part of it. I didn't see too much. But as you can see, this storm does not want to let up whatsoever. You can definitely hear it just coming down. Be a little bit more level if it was I had a tripod, but still working on that, people. After I get this done, I would get this up as soon as possible, but I've still got my previous video rendering. So I'm not quite able to upload this as much as I'd like to. And oh! There was one right there. That one sounded like it was, whoa. That freaking step right there. Causing me to trip and fall. Not watching where I'm going. It sounded like it came from that direction over there. Not sure exactly, but it sounded like came from out there. Over to east, that's east. That's north right there. That's west. And that direction that I didn't cover is south. Watching where I'm going this time. Hopefully that step won't try to get me again. Waiting for that low. There's another one. Again, I know I'm not going to be able to catch much from here. But I gotta avoid getting my camera wet too. Hopefully one will come to the north here. Just give us a nice spectacular show. Not sure if it will though. They appear to all be coming from the west. That one definitely came from the west. one appeared to come from right above. Thunderstorm appears to be letting up now. Although that's what I said last time before the thunderstorm just suddenly recovered and started pouring again. Things appear to be calming down now. Thunder appears to be proceeding west, but the lightning appears to be remaining east. Again, wish I had some cover for you guys, but don't appear to have any at this time that I can go through or go to. That one was west. Wish we were able to see one, but might have to get it another time. It really sucks because I really don't usually like to give up, but I'm probably going to have to cut it at this point. Got a street light over there. And it appears the rain's picking back up. And it seems to be calming down. Just can't seem to decide what it wants to do. Well, anyway, sorry to disappoint you guys. I thought we were actually going to get to see some lightning. However, rain seems to be going back and forth. Lots of thunder. This probably isn't one of my more exciting videos for most of you. However, those of you that did appreciate it, I'm glad I got to help you and, you know, provide some entertainment for you. I'm probably going to have to cut it here. You guys are wonderful, by the way. And hang on. That seems to want to pick up again. Regardless, guys, thank you all for watching. You guys are wonderful. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more and other things. Rate it. Favorite it, I guess. Do whatever. You guys are amazing. And I really have nothing else to say at this point. You all are wonderful. That is all. Jeffrey out.